Hey everybody, it's the Cooking Mom, and when you need to pull dinner out of a hat, I got the recipe for you. It's spaghetti with olive oil and garlic. It's actually really authentic, like something you'd get in Italy, and it takes just minutes to put together. I bet you have everything to make it. So the first thing I did is I heated up a good amount of olive oil, because the olive oil is actually the sauce. And then to that, I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes. If you really like it spicy, you could add even some extra. And then I've got some garlic. If you have fresh garlic, great. If all you have is the jarred garlic, that works fine too. So I'm just kind of gonna turn this down just a tad, heating up. I don't want to burn my garlic, so heating up the oil and the red pepper. And the recipe calls for spaghetti, but I didn't have spaghetti, so any kind of pasta will work. This is actually leftover linguine, so that works great too. This is actually a really kid-friendly recipe. What kid doesn't like pasta? It costs next to nothing, and I'm hosting culinary trips, and this is very similar to a dish I had over in Italy. So if you don't have fresh herbs, this is just some dried parsley, just to give it a little more color, and literally we are at the finish line. Serve this with a salad and some bread. It's so crazy yummy. I've got a little bit of Parmesan cheese to put on top. Of course, if you had some protein like shrimp or chicken left over, you could throw that on there, a little Parmesan cheese, and there you go. Super quick and easy and really yummy. For this recipe and lots more, you can get it at thecookingmom.com. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook too. Take care.